Hello guys and welcome to Quick Solution. Today I'm going to show you how to watch NFL Sunday Ticket on YouTube TV. So the first thing you'll have to do is go to google.com and search for YouTube TV. Right here you'll have to select the very first option that appears here, tv.youtube.com, and as you can see at the right side of the page there is YouTube is the new home of NFL Sunday Ticket. So you'll have to select the option get offer now, and right here you'll have to select the account that you want to log in with. So as you can see right here, the YouTube TV is only available in the US. So if you're in the US, you will be able to see the NFL Sunday Ticket on YouTube TV and get an offer for that. So this is all for today, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one.